Despite how cheap you can pick up PlayStation 4 these days, a console is a valuable investment. It's where you store important data like login details, save data, full games and whatnot. So of course, you would like to prevent anything bad from happening to your PS4, right? Here are some things to never to do with the console, not even as a joke. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and press the notification bell and join us as the squad. Besides that, don't forget to like the video and comment down below if you love the PlayStation series. Do you want more PlayStation video? So let me know. Watch the video till the end because these things in this video can help you a lot and maybe you didn't know these things. So just watch the video till the end and help yourself. Number 1. Ejecting the disc while playing. Hey, you know what would be a great idea if that physical disc you were playing on wasn't ejected while the game was still running. Now we know that temptation is great and you probably want to toss that Overwatch disc across the room after a terrible match or three, but just don't do it. You are better than that and your disc drive, games data, etc. etc. You will thank me for it later. Number 2. Inserting unsupported disk. Don't pick up any unsupported disk and just shove it into the PS4 or Xbox One. Along with damaging your disk drive, it could make the disk unreadable as well. That's not taking into account how some unsupported disk could be a gateway to ruining your system. Number 3. Not maintaining proper ventilation. When maintaining a console, one of the most important things to keep in mind is ventilation. Keep it on a generally stable foundation and ensure it receives proper ventilation. Heat generation, especially when your base console fans are working overtime to run the latest games, is a serious issue. If a console doesn't get the proper ventilation for the heat dissipation, the hardware inside could suffer. Number 4. Deleting everything. Data in your consoles is organized in for many different ways. The PS4 for example has folders and like a computer, you don't just go deleting whatever folder you want to make space. The reasoning for this is simple. Some folders could contain DLC content or save files etc. While it's a matter of just re-downloading, it can still be a pain of retrieve all of the missing content and saves. Number 5. Not using a surge protector. Thunderstorms, power fluctuations, there are many reasons to own a surge protector. It's generally recommended to use one of your console since it can prevent damage. Keep some kind of battery backup like a UPS handy as well. Suffering a power outage while your PS4 is on can be very bad. Number 6. Unplugging while still running it. Speaking of which, don't even think about just unplugging your PS4 while it's still on. This can at best corrupt your game's data and at worst corrupts the hard disk entirely. Yes, it's worse than just losing progress in a video game. Much worse. Always shut down the game in question and then power down your console the traditional way. Number 7. Switching it off during firmware update. To further that point, don't unplug your console or shut it down while the system's firmware is being updated. Forget your hard disk potentially get corrupted. You could bring the entire console, preventing it from ever working again. Sure, it's one way to see if that warranty is still valid, but definitely not the best. Number 8. Keeping it on the floor. Have you ever kept your SNES or Genesis on the floor in your house when young and it felt fine? Well, it's generally not a good idea with today's console generation. Not only is the hardware a lot more sophisticated and more reliant on the proper ventilation, but the console will attract way more dust if it's kept on the floor. Number 9. Not properly cleaning it. Hilarious as it may seem to take a vacuum cleaner to your PS4, don't does the console, especially vents regularly. To ensure proper airflow for the fans and to prevent heating issues, don't just throw any detergent or liquid or other substance on the console in the name of cleaning. It never ever ends well. Number 10. Vertical alignment without a stand. It's generally advised to not change the physical alignment of your console very often. So if you have it laying horizontally, keep it like that, especially because of the better airflow. If it's vertical, make sure you at least have something to keep it in place. especially when it could fall without a stand. Settle on an alignment and keep it that way.